morning! I'm Ella, and today I'm going to show you my peaceful morning routine. Let's take it step by step and make today wonderful. Next, I hydrate. I drink a full glass of water. It helps wake me up and gives my body the energy. Now, I step outside for a short walk. I love feeling the fresh air and the sunshine. It's such a peaceful way to clear my mind and boost my energy. Next, I pick out something comfy and stylish to wear. Dressing up makes me feel good and ready to take on the day. Now, it's time for breakfast. I like to make something healthy, like fresh fruit, eggs, or toast. It's so important to nourish my body with good food first thing in the morning. While I eat, I take my time and enjoy the meal. It's a moment to relax and get ready for the busy day ahead. After breakfast, I take a few minutes to check my plans for the day. I review my to-do list and make sure I'm ready. Next, I tidy up my space. Making the bed and cleaning the kitchen helps me feel calm and ready for the day. A clean space gives me a clear mind. Before I start my work, I spend a few minutes meditating. It helps me focus, stay calm, and be present throughout the day. Finally, I grab my essentials, keys, phone, wallet, and head out the door. I'm all set for the day. If you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Goodbye.